Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk today about the magic of micro darts on the skin, which is a way to micro-infuse serums or treatments deeper into the skin for specific issues. A couple of places these are very effective are under the eyes to help stimulate circulation, help improve collagen production, in the upper and even deeper levels of the skin. Obviously, these tiny little micro darts are needles that are going to be able to pierce that tough outside dead layer of skin and get that product down there working for you. So there are a couple of treatments we're going to talk about here on the video today from a couple of really great products that are going to give you in-office results from home. Now, if you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert and holistic health coach. I've been doing this stuff for 37, almost 38 years. So if this is the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube from someone who's been walking this talk a really long time, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. But let's get into this micro darts. I've already explained to you what they are and kind of how they work, and the fact that they actually can give you some very professional level results. First area we're going to talk about treating is under eye, fine lines and wrinkles, and crow's feet. And then we're going to talk about a way to actually attack dark spots, specific dark spots, just like the one I have right here, being able to fade those much faster than typical topical treatments. Ooh, I like that, typical topical treatments. The first product I'm going to talk about is for under the eye. It's by Qure skincare. It's a brand that I really like and trust. You probably have seen them reviewed by many dermatologists and skincare experts, estheticians like me here on YouTube. Great quality, their products actually work. This is their Micro-Infusion targeted patches, and they come in a package that looks like this. And the thing that I really like about these is you can place them on the crow's feet area to just under the eye, or if you have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles, just under the eye and over the cheekbone, and want that area to look more plumped up, elastic, and youthful, you can use them right here between the nose and the corner of the eye. But we're not going to stop there because these are extremely versatile. They can actually be used other areas like around the mouth for smile lines, and even that area between the eyebrows, which is always hard to treat with a lot of on-skin products. Just right there on that number 11, going to help soften and release that tension and wrinkles there for you as well. Now, these patches are infused with ingredients I like, caffeine, which as we know helps pull those capillaries back away from the skin, the surface of the skin, helping to reduce the look of dark circles. Copper tripeptide, and we know copper peptides are extremely helpful for aging skin, helping to bring back that bounce, texture, and increase collagen production. And niacinamide, which helps reduce inflammation and puffiness. Now, I'm going to put this closer to the camera as you can see all these tiny darts, these tiny little fine needles. Super short and not painful at all. You want to leave this wherever you're going to put it for at least 2 to 3 hours. Overnight, you get much better results. You can use them night after night, or you can spread them out throughout the week. And you want to carefully apply this patch to clean skin. I'm going to put it right here under my lower eyelid, right across that area that wrinkles and crinkles for most people, helping to plump out my skin, remove those fine lines and wrinkles, and give this area of my face a nice plump look. Now, the next treatment I'm going to talk about is specifically for dark marks and spots on the skin, or as we know them, age spots. I have one right here that comes back no matter what I do, no matter how many skin peels I have done. I've had treatments, professional treatments, it always comes back. So finding a product that can actually treat the spot itself, that has a 95% success rate in reducing the look of the dark spot in 3 days, and 97% of the folks who have been using this product have reported that they saw significant fading of the spot in 7 days, and that same 97% said the spot was completely gone in just 14 days. That's a professional level treatment if there ever was one. Now, the product for this that I've been using and I'm talking about today is by GloMelanin. It's their dark spot remover patch. And much like this, it's shaped in a circle so that it goes right over the dark spot you're trying to treat. 120 microdarts in this circle. These microdarts are infused with a powerful combination of ingredients. Licorice root, which we know is really great for helping to fade dark spots and manage melanin production in the skin. Kojic acid, something we use in in-office treatments to help treat dark spots, along with aloe, niacinamide, and alpha-arbutin. All, again, products that help powerfully fade dark spots, but also help manage melanin production in that area to keep them from coming back. And just like this patch, we're going to place that right over that dark spot, right there. I'm going to press that in lightly, and I'm going to let this patch and all those wonderful ingredients go to work for 8 hours. So it's really great overnight. You can use it along with these. Obviously, both products will work very well, and you definitely want to use the GloMelanin patch every single day until that spot is completely gone. Now, GloMelanin is one of my favorite type of skincare companies. It's small, it's minority owned, it's in Atlanta, and they are just producing some of the most amazing products that are naturally based using turmeric. And I just did an extensive video on them and a couple of their products. I just love their entire line. If you didn't catch that, I will link to that down below in the video description box. And it will also be the next recommended video at the end of this video. Now, I hope you guys found this information today on microdart technology and how it can specifically help certain areas of your skin. If you did like the video, share it out. It really helps the channel. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out that video that I'm going to be recommending next. Thank you guys for watching and supporting me. I really do appreciate it every single day. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.